You're going to love the 2013 Infiniti QX56. A 5.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, a blind spot monitoring system, a power rear cargo door, lane departure warning, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.